Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can make your Yubo account without using your Apple ID. Making a Yubo account without using the Apple ID is really easy because you can just use your Google account or even just straight log in with your email. Here I have just downloaded my Yubo account and recently created a new account. So if you are new to the Yubo, you can just click on continue with Google and log in with the Google account without the need of the Apple ID. Or if you have already a member, click on login and now choose the type of login with the Google or with your username. Now you can choose any of the options given to you and you'll be able to make an account on Yubo without the need of your Apple ID. And this was for this video, and that's how you can easily make a Yubo account without the need of your Apple ID. I hope you guys found the information of our video helpful. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.